Everybody, and today I will be talking about the Zippo 200 at the Watkins Glen International Speedway. So, it was a pretty cool race today. There were a couple accidents, or sometimes when an accident happens, or you sit out at a water, a yellow may not come out. That happened a couple times today. But it's pretty a few things out in water, okay? You won't have to roll out a yellow coming out. But there were a couple times that a yellow thing come out for an accident. But it was a pretty cool race anyway. A lot of races. So it was a ticket water race yes, for a nationwide. So what I'm going to do right now is for you guys a final lap of the race. For you guys to see who went off to win the race today at Watkins Glen. So here's a final lap.
One lap to go to settle it at Watkins Glen. And where does he take this last track? This is out through the distance and slows him down any at all. That's going to get Kyle Busch on front at him at the inner loop. Jeffrey Earnhardt of the 4, the next car ahead. It looks like that might just happen, too. Kyle's hanging it out there, trying to catch him. I think that was everything that Kyle had right there. Hard to get him from here if Ambrose doesn't have a problem. Final 2 corners ahead. Four times consecutively that he's entered, he's taken home the checkered flag and trophy. Marcus Ambrose wins at Watkins Glen. Thank you, God. Awesome drive, everybody. Thanks, everybody. Thanks all the 9, the 43 nationwide guys. Thanks for everything. That guy's amazing.
So as you guys saw in that video, Marcus Ambrose went off to win the race today at Watkins Glen. Nice job, Marcus Ambrose. I believe it is his 4th race in a row in a nationwide race, winning at Watkins Glen. So he won it in 2008, 9, and 10, I believe, and now he won today. Oh yeah, I gotta say, Marcus Ambrose, he is really good at World Cup races. So, yeah, congratulations to Marcus Ambrose. So now, let's see what might happen tomorrow. He is going to fly and win tomorrow race too, and I'll flip up. Find out who wins tomorrow night. Well, not tomorrow night, but tomorrow afternoon. Alright, so now I'm going to tell you guys what the points are now after today's race. Straight Elliott is a point leader. Regan Smith is 6th. Elliott Sadler is 2. Ty Taylor is 4th. And Swire top is 5th. So it's still a 24 points in right now between the top 4 flyers. And you will see what points are at the bottom. So yeah. Like I said, it was 2 races. It was way hard today. 2 races. So yeah. So that's all I thought to talk about. So that was the City 200. So now next week's race is going to be another World Cup race, and it's going to be at Mid-Ohio. It's a 3-race race coming out at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. and her weight is going to be started at about 3 o'clock p.m. Eagle Standard Time, and it's going to be on ESPN. But we'll see how next week we're going to see how your lower workout weight, like I said, that's in fact workout weight is. So I will talk to you guys in my next week video. Bye everybody.